What if the library doesn't have an article that you're looking for because it doesn't subscribe to a particular journal or magazine? Don't panic. There's a solution to that called Interlibrary Loan that allows you to request a copy from another library. This service works for both residential and distance students since the articles are usually delivered electronically. First, go to the library website. You can find this using the Tools menu on the main campus website. In the search box, type the title of the article and last name of the author. For example, if you want the article Contextualization as a Critical Transformative Agent in Christianity by an author named Nweke, you might type Contextualization as a Critical and Nweke. Now that you see the correct article on top, click the title. Click Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. If you're asked to log in, fill in your ID and password. Submit your request. At this point, the article will be put in queue to be requested from another library by the library's Access Services team. Look for an email telling you that the item is available. You can contact Access Services if you have any questions about your requests. Thank you for watching this library tutorial. Please visit our website for more information.